Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Brooke if you're new here. In today's video, I'm going to be recreating a Pinterest makeup. Like makeup that I see on Pinterest. You know what I mean? I'm just going to do one look today. I can do this again if you like this. Look is super pretty, super girly, super glittery. Everything I love. I love glitter. I don't really like putting it on my eyes too much because like it's just such a pain. You know, it goes everywhere. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications so you never miss when I upload. And if you want to see how I recreated Pinterest makeup, then please just keep on watching. So I'm going to start this look out with eyes just because we're using glitter. And I'm going to prime them with my NARS concealer. I'm just going to set that using Kat Von D translucent setting powder. For this look, I'm going to be using my Tarte Toasted palette. And the first shade I'm going to take is Cashmere. Oh, this one right here. Look how much freaking kickback. The next shade I'm going to take is Warmth. This one right next to it. And I'm going to focus that on my outer corner and my crease. And then I'm just going to take a clean brush and blend the edges. And for the next shade, I'm just going to take this one right here. It's called Cozy. And I'm going to put that over top of the last shade. Eye look is very defined, so I'm going to put on some tape, even though I'm a little late to put it on. That's okay. So I'm going to take the tape off first of all. Cut the crease, but only to here. Now I'm just gonna set that with translucent powder. And then I'm gonna be using my NYX glitter glue, that right over top where the concealer is. And then using my NYX glitter, shade 10, I don't know, it's silver. Try to blend it a little better. Do the same thing to the other eye. I'm gonna be taking the tiniest bit of Warmth and Cozy mixed, these two, and putting that on my lower lash line. I'm gonna do my brows real quick. For my brow bone, I'm going to be taking Candle. I'm going to be taking my L'Oreal True Match today. Now I'm going to conceal using my NARS concealer. And then I'm just going to set my face using my Kat Von D translucent powder. Not baking or anything. I'm gonna redo my lower lash line just because I kind of concealed over it. Now I'm gonna bronze using my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil. Now I'm gonna highlight using my Carli Bybel palette and taking this gold shade. And I'm gonna go put on some lashes and I'll be right back. So that's that. I just put on a nude lip and some lip gloss, and this is the final look. I think the only thing different about it is that the glitter, her glitter is definitely more like a rose gold, silverish, somewhere in between, and mine's just silver. I didn't have anything closer to it besides this, so this is what I did. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and also leave a comment down below and turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss when I upload. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!